So we just bought this beautiful brand new RC P-51 Mustang from VolantexRC. This is a 500mm model, and today we're going to be testing its takeoffs, landings, overall flight, aerobatics, and so much more. So let's get into it. Oh, what a butter. So to give you guys a quick overview of the plane, it is definitely a lot more modeled than the 400mm. It has a massive battery hatch at the bottom, way more modeled wheels with suspensions, which is great. Oh, yeah. It also has back steering, which is a new thing for such small planes. So we are going to plug in the plane. It runs on the 400 milliamp 7.4 volt battery. So let's just plug it in quickly. Alright. Now I bind it by turning on the controller and throttle up and down. And there we go. So we're gonna get our first impressions of the plane. We're gonna do a hand launch, trim it out, and then after that we're gonna do some takeoffs and landings. So let's go. Oh wow, this thing, oh wow. This is just truly so easy to control.
It's flying so well.
It is flying so nicely right now. It is already trimmed kind of up right now. Oh.
Oh, that was close. Still getting used to it. We have not flown for a while, so.
Yeah, it's been winter here in Canada, so like, pretty hard to get any flights in.
So yeah, let's bring it in, or?
Yeah, it's flying really good so far. We're just gonna bring it in, do some takeoffs and landings. Bring it on this runway. Oh. Yeah, so this plane does stall really easily.
I mean, we're just used to going slower with the smaller
planes. With the small planes, you can come in like really quick.
Yeah.
And, like,
and there's no wind today.
The engine, but this one you gotta keep the speed up.
Oh. Beautiful.
Oh, that was almost the
That was nice.
I just ran off the runway. But yeah, this plane, really easy to come in. Feels really good, so let's get into some takeoffs. So now we're gonna do 3 takeoffs and 3 landings to see what this thing's capable of. So let's do our first flight.
Oh!
That was not good.
That was
definitely not good.
Uh-oh. I mean, these little planes are really sensitive to the runway. Is it broken, or?
Alright, so this is a tri-prop that we converted from another plane, but these have snap-on, so you could just add it right on. And there we go, it's on. So now we're gonna do our first takeoff.
Let's go. There we go.
Really side takeoff. I don't know why.
I mean, our
wheel is bent.
Yeah, our wheels are a little bent right now.
They try and come in at like a nice speed. Try not to stall it.
Oh, almost.
That was pretty harsh, but
it's still getting used to it. Yeah.
So now we're gonna do our second takeoff.
Let's go. And it's up.
That was good.
Beautiful.
That was really good.
Ooh. A little rough.
That's a bit too fast.
Now I'm going to show the cool feature of the taxiing ability of the P-51. So if we add a tiny little bit of throttle, get it moving, we can kind of taxi around on the pavement. It's not the best taxi, but it's good enough to make some little taxis around if you want to line up for a runway. So here we're going to turn around. Actually, it's working pretty good right now. Better than usual. But now let's take off.
Oh, nice takeoff. Yeah.
And the drone.
Yeah, maybe do a couple flybys.
Look at that, so smooth.
Yeah, this plane is awesome.
Oh my, wait. I swear we need like down trim or something.
You just gotta be pulling down as you're coming in.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, these are some nice flybys though.
Yeah. So fun. Oh my god, so close.
Oh.
I had a nick there, but then I added some throttle and I f***ed it up. But I'll try one more time. One more. Okay, this will be my second attempt at trying to butter this. Definitely harder to butter than the smaller planes we had. But we just have to get used to it, so. Let's go.
Oh. Yeah, we can't break the prop, it's the last one.
Keep the speed up.
Oh.
Butter.
Oh, what a butter.
Butter.
That was beautiful.
That shows the importance of trimming your planes. Like if you see a problem, you trim it out, and it helps a lot.
All right, so now we're gonna test out the aerobatics of this plane. It comes with a built-in switch, so when you click this and you pull, it could do a roll or maybe even a backflip, a loop, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
So let's go.
And we're in. Oh, that was sick.
That was really good.
I mean, I caught it well.
All right, so now we're gonna do a loop. We're gonna go to medium for this. Oh my God.
Oh,
dude,
wow.
Look how beautiful that is.
That was
is
beautiful.
A perfect loop.
Perfect.
This plane's abilities are just next level. Volantex did a great job.
That was f***ing perfect.
I think this honestly might be one of the best small planes. Do that again. Dude, look at that.
Look at
how much
that.
Power it has. This thing's a powerhouse.
Holy,
Jeez.
right here.
Oh wow. This
That
thing
was
is actually
beautiful.
good. Let me come in for some nice close fly.
Yeah, do it. Do another barrel roll.
Yeah. I'll
Won't
try to do
hurt.
like a nice low,
Yeah,
close-up barrel roll. Hopefully not crash it.
that'll be fine. Oh, and the low to the ground.
Jeez.
Oh.
Okay.
Wanna try another one? Dude, I love the barrel rolls look
I
so
know.
sick.
This thing's beautiful. It's great.
Wow,
It is great.
great performance. Do some nice flybys now. Oh.
This
Oh.
thing flies so well. I'm not even kidding. This might be one of the best flyers I think I've ever flown.
Honestly, yeah. And a perfect scale for any park flying.
Yeah, this is park flying, but it's like a bit bigger. And you can definitely make it out in the sky. It looks great. Oh yeah, Cobra.
Yeah, they rip a Cobra.
Alright.
I love doing Cobras in this. But make sure you're higher for Cobras. Oh!
Oh,
Wait, do
yeah.
it. You'll do another. I want to zoom in more.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh no, actually I was not ready. Oh, that's sick, but I got it.
Okay, let me try.
Let's try one more, but I want to zoom in a lot closer. You know, a nice shot.
Alright.
Yep. Oh wow. Nice Cobra.
Oh.
Oh. Oh wow. Nice Cobra. Oh. Oh. Wait, did you catch it?
Yeah, I got
Wait, I thought it hit the ground.
Yeah, I thought it was
Wait,
fun.
on the camera I was aiming at the grass. I saw it like bounce off the ground. I was like,
Oh my
wait, did it hit
God.
the ground or not?
No. Wow.
Look at that dive.
Wow, this thing, it's such good performance. Like,
Yeah,
I'm genuinely just
fucking-
impressed.
Maneuverability will give like a 9 out of 10 or
Yeah, this
10
is
out of 10.
crazy.
Amazing.
I'm having so much fun right now. I just want to fly it.
Okay, Hugo's having a great time.
Wow.
Little loop.
So easy to fly. This might be the best beginner plane. I feel like it's flying better than the 400 millimeters. I'm not gonna lie. The Warbird series were definitely good flyers and good for beginners. This one, I'd say, flies better, but there's definitely more risk to it. It's more expensive by a bit, and also more detailed and has a higher chance of like exploding. But it's still really durable. It's made out of good foam, so
Wait, this foam was way harder than the
yeah,
smaller
this
planes.
foam is definitely really tough. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it in for a landing. Try to butter it on this runway.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll see what I can do.
This is a testament to flying. So if you get landed on this small runway, it's a good plane.
Yeah. Just the aim is already hard enough.
Yeah.
And buttering it is also just next level.
Coming in. Oh, almost hit us.
Dude, I almost hit myself.
Okay.
Okay, let me try that again. I gotta come in a bit earlier.
Why do you like stand on the?
it's for aim.
Hugo, this is Hugo's special strategy.
Wow. This thing's so...
Oh my! I dodged the bunker there.
It flies so well.
We'll get it eventually.
And it's really easy to bail out of this plane.
Oh my! Oh, cutting the grass.
Dude, this plane is crazy.
Oh my god.
Coming in way too high. Yep. No.
Oh, okay. I mean, it was still a soft
It's
landing.
on it's on all its gears, so.
I mean, all these landings show how strong the landing gears are.
Yeah,
Like
but
the
I'd
suspension.
say it is really easy to control and definitely easy and maneuverable.
Like you don't, where your head doesn't get in the. Oh. Out of battery?
So this does have a low battery feature that turns on when the plane is in the ground.
But it's always too late.
It's always too late. Same with the old planes too. Like,
yeah, right? Yeah.
Like, it starts beeping when it's low battery, but the plane can't sustain itself on low battery, so it just crashes.
Yeah, it starts beeping once the plane can't even like sustain flight.
On this plane, compared to the 400 millimeters, that the plane itself beeps. So if you say land in a bush, you'll be able to find it a lot easier.
Yep. Here you can hear the beeps of the plane.
I just hope they can.
Yeah, you can hear that.
Prop is fine.
Prop is fine.
Yes.
Our makeshift prop.
Yeah, makeshift prop. But you can see this plane is really durable. Though it's made out of like a really strong foam. So the other ones you can like bend. This one you can't really bend. It's really tough, but definitely really durable.
Everything's just beeping.
Yeah, the only scratch mark we have here is.
Wait, that's an incident we had.
That happened when we crashed into a wall.
Oh, yeah, let's turn it like there. There it is. You can kind of see it. Hey, it's not invisible that much.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
That's how strong the foam is.
Yeah. It's beeping like crazy.
Yeah, it won't like shut the fuck up.
So at the end of the day, this is definitely a really good plane. We had lots of fun with it. The takeoffs, the landings, the overall flight, it was just so good. I'm completely impressed by Volantex. I'll definitely recommend it. But thank you guys all for watching. Subscribe because we're really close to 2K. We want to hit it in a couple months. Subscribe. Goodbye.